Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning. How is the weather in your area? Is it raining? In my area the weather is raining, heavily raining. As you can see, I'm with my umbrella going out, and I'm rushing so I can meet my boss. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are staying safe. Please stay safe, because it's very, very important for us to stay safe. Our health matters a lot. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and please stay safe, and God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe for me and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and God bless you.